Hey guys, welcome to Crown Smart. In this video we're gonna find a one-to-one function. Okay, here are the following questions. They are asked to check if these functions are what one-to-one. Now for a function to be one-to-one, it must satisfy this rule that if f of x is equal to f of y, then x must be equal to y. Equivalently, we have that if x is not equal to y, then f of x is not equal to what? F of y. This is the contrapositive definition of this. Now let's draw our mind back to what one-to-one function is. Now observe that every distinct element here is being assigned to every distinct image in what? In the codomain. So if I assign every distinct element to a distinct image, then the function is set to what? One-to-one. Now let's solve the following. Okay, now the first one says f of x equal to 2x. So we have f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Now from our definition, f of x equal to f of y implies that 2x plus 3 is equal to 2y plus 3. Now solving this, adding minus 3 to both sides of the equation, we have that 2x is equal to 2y. Then dividing both sides by 2, we have that x is equal to what? Y. So we see that this function is what? One-to-one. Now the next one, f of x equal to x squared. Now from our definition, f of x is equal to what? F of y. So this is x squared is equal to what? Y squared. Now taking roots of both sides, we have plus or minus x is equal to plus or minus y. Now we have cases, 4 cases. Now we have plus x is equal to plus y. We have minus x is equal to plus y. We have plus x is equal to minus y, and we have minus x is equal to minus y. So looking at this case, we have seen that this and this contradicts this thing, because minus x and plus y cannot be what? The same. Now this shows that this function f of x equal to x squared is not what? A one-to-one function. Now the next one is f of x equal to x cube. Now let's say x cube is equal to what? Y cube by definition. So the cube root is x equal to what? Y. So this function is what? A one-to-one function. Now the next one we are going to do is to show that f of x equal to sine x and f of x equal to cos x is one-to-one function, given the restriction. Now the restriction is that we have this, that 0 will be less than x and x is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Observe that this one is strictly less than 90 because tan 90 is undefined. Now reason this is so is that sine x in general is not one-to-one. Okay, sine x, cos x, tan x in general is not one-to-one unless given this restriction. So this is a one-to-one function if this restriction is being what? Given. Now observe that you can have let's take a value. Let's say sine let's say let x1 equal to 30 degree, and okay, let's not use 30 degree. Let x equal to 90 degree, x1, and x2 equal to 270. Now sine 90 is equal to 1, and sine 270, no, sorry, cos 90 is equal to 1, and cos 270 is equal to what? Is equal to the same. Cos 90 is 0 and cos 270 is equal to 0. Now observe that 90 is not equal to 270, but their f of x1 is equal to what? F of x2. So this is just a typical example to show you that this is not what? A one-to-one function. So now in general, what we are trying to say is that given the restriction in trig functions such as sine, cos, and tan, that this function, what you are seeing here, is one-to-one function because every distinct element of x is being assigned to every distinct to assign to each distinct element in the codomain. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.